Hello everyone, my name is Siddharth and today's topic is how to get rid of overthinking. First of all, what is overthinking? It simply means to think about something for too much for too long until it becomes toxic for you. Not only it consumes your precious time and oozes out all of your productivity, but it can also be pretty dangerous for your mental health if you are stuffing negative things into your mind. We often overthink by worrying about our future and ruminating about our past. We often ask ourselves, what will happen to me? Or will I be able to live up to my dreams and expectations and succeed in my life? Or we often think how our life could have been different if we had taken some things in a different way. Does it help us? No. The former one just wastes our productivity and the latter one makes feel bad about ourselves. Overthinking about negative thoughts too much leads to depression, anxiety, low self-esteem and underconfidence. We always feel like criminals for screwing up some things in the past, even if the people around us does not think of us in that way. This leads to a major degradation in our social skills. The amount of time you spend overthinking into deep shit does not have any value in your life. If some amount is actually being spent on learning from past mistakes and coming out with some creative solution, then it is productive. But time spent overthinking will not improvise your life at any cost, regardless it is whether of 10 minutes or 10 hours. It's pretty sure we want to change our habits and improvise our lives by getting rid of overthinking. But I think it's equally important to know and to realize when are we actually overthinking. We are probably overthinking if we can't stop worrying about something, if we often worry about the things we do not have control over, if we constantly remind ourselves about our previous mistakes, if we relive embarrassing moments in our life over and over, if we often ask ourselves what if type of questions. Now, there are some really simple tips to remember if you want to get rid of overthinking. Tip number 1. Put things into wider perspective. If you are overthinking about something, just ask yourself, will this thing matter to me in 5 years or maybe even 5 weeks? Trust me, it allows you to stop thinking about that thing and focus your time and energy on something else that actually does matter to you. Tip number 2. Set time limits in taking decisions. For somewhat smaller decisions which are going to affect your day-to-day life, take something like 30 seconds or less. For somewhat bigger decisions which are going to leave a major impact in your life, set a specific day and time for it. It will really help you. Tip number 3. Realize you cannot take control of everything. Trying to do simply does not work because no one can see all possible scenarios in advance. And trust me, if you are right, some things, miracles happen in the last second. Tip number 4. Get a good start that will set up your tone for your day. Read or work out or meditate and then start with the most important task of the day. Focus on single tasks and take regular breaks. This will help you to keep sharp focus during the day and get what's most important done while allowing your body to rest. Minimize your daily input, especially from social media, as it can clutter your mind as the day progresses. Tip number 5. Do not get lost in work fears. Ask yourself, what is the worst thing that could really happen? You will find that the worst thing that will realistically happen is something not as scary as your mind running with wild work fears could produce. Tip number 6. Get plenty of good quality sleep. Remember, if you do not sleep well enough, then your mind can get vulnerable to constant worrying and pessimism. You will not think clearly as much as you can do. Also, drink enough water and always try to stay hydrated throughout the day. This will make your mind more sharper and clear. It is not really that hard to get rid of it. By taking small steps and taking little effort, you can adjust your thinking habits and replace your overthinking with more productive self-reflection. By doing so, it will really help in strengthening our mental health, it will enhance your productivity, and it will lead you to more happier lives.